Hello, my name is Hiroki Ida. I'm a web solution specialist in Microsoft Japan. Today, I would like to show my BI demo using Virtual Earth as a SharePoint web parts. Hope you like it. First, brief outline of this demo. This demo I made was about 2 years ago, and it's hypothetical internal site of auto dealer store. And it's aimed for people who daily use the BI to drill into the data to seize their status at a glance. So here's how it works. First, I choose a location of an area that I want to drill in. Example here, Washington State, Redmond. Well, at the left top with parts, you see the Redmond's total population, the area information like male, female, how many households there are, and also total sales amounts of dealers in that area. And also like total access of their websites, and also the total number of trial rides that they had last week. And at the left bottom, you'll see also each store's sales amount of last month, and also those sales amount are also plotted inside the virtual Earth, and where the stores are, and those amounts are really graphed inside the virtual Earth. And also this, if you do the same thing as Colorado, Denver, it goes zooms in pretty smoothly and goes to another part, which is Denver, and shows you another data too. It's back and forth, but it moves quite smoothly. And you see Redmond aside with Rose Hill at the side of Redmond. And I've also designated the data from the web parts above, but inside the virtual Earth, if you click the area, also the data will be called up from the virtual Earth too. And of course, this is a virtual Earth, so you can do something like this. See the aerial map, just tilt it and zoom into the location to see what the store's location is like. Just maybe turn around, close the side. It's quite neat. And here you see the area of store and what kind of environment there are, like is there a tall building around it, or is there a hotel, is it a residential part of place. You just know the environment of how the store is and where it's located. And after you'll understand the sales digit and their environment, probably what people would like to do is that they would like to call the people who's really working on site, to call them up. So what we did was that we also brought in some personnel data inside that internal site, such as managers who leads the store, and their employees' name and their contacts, and maybe email from here. And also not only that, but let them know their status, if they're available, or are they busy, or are they only able to attend your call or something. So I've listed also the personnel data and their status with the same selling site. So usually inside internal site, what's usual is that mostly the sales digit and also the personnel data goes into different system, but this site is like a mashup of internet. Gives you enables you to give a glance, sees information of store and also personnel data at a glance. So I thought customer might want to like it and show some interest in it. So this is a brief outline of my demo, and if you really like this virtual Earth, please look at the site. This is Bing, like http www.bing.com maps. It will show you what kind of interface the virtual Earth is. And also, if you really want to make these kind of sites, there are a lot of good SDKs inside there. Just show the default map, specific map. And if you really go into the site, they'll show you some source codes. Just copy this and iframe it, and I think it'll work just fine too. And there are a lot of good SDK inside here, so just really knock yourself out and see how it goes. So thank you for watching, and if you really like this Virtual Earth and SharePoint site, contact your local Microsoft sales guy, and they'll give you adequate information in necessary timing. So thank you for listening, and maybe I'll update my demos later. See you. Thanks. Bye.